So today we're going to solve question under FE geometry. So point P is 30 degrees south, 110 degrees west, and Q is 30 degrees south, 110 degrees west are two places on the surface of the Earth. The first plane start off from point Q and flew due east at a speed of 900 knots. The second plane again start off from Q and flew due west at the speed of 1/3 of the first plane. So the first step is to draw the FE. Step 1. So step 1 is to draw the F surface, the surface of the F. Draw the surface of the F. The surface of the what? Of the F. So assume this is the surface of the F. So assume this is the surface of the what? F. So this line is a Greenwich what? Meridian. This line assume is a Greenwich meridian, which is longitude 0. And this line, this is a equator. Again is a 0 degrees. And this one is 0 degrees. So we are told that point Q is below the equator. So point Q is below the equator, which is this one. So which is 30 degrees south. 30 degrees south. And so point Q is the left of the equator. So here, so assume this is a point, this is a latitude 70 degrees west. So 110 degrees west is somewhere here. So we can draw. So this is latitude 110 degrees west. So we can extend this one like this. So this is point P. This is point Q. So this is point P. This is point Q. So we have drawn the F surface. So the second step. So step 2. After drawing the F surface, step 2. So question 1. At which longitude did the two planes meet? Question 2. At what time did the second plane meet the first plane if they started off at no, meaning at 12 hours? So step 2. Step 2, calculating speed. Step 2, calculating what? The speed. Let us calculate the speed. So the speed, so step 1, the speed at plane, the speed at P, the speed of a plane which started at P, so is equals to what? 900 knots. The speed of a plane which started at P is equals to 900 knots. The speed at Q, the speed of a plane which started at Q, we are told that it is 1/3. We are told that it is 1/3 of the first plane. So 1/3, it is 1/3 multiplied by 900, which is equals to 300 knots. So the speed of the plane which started at Q is equals to 900, is equals to 300 what? Knots. So step 3. So step 3 is calculating the longitude. Calculating the longitude at which they what? Met. Calculating what? Calculating the longitude at which they what? They met. So calculating the longitude at which they met. So we are going to calculate the difference in longitude first. Calculating the what? The difference in what? In longitude. Calculating the difference in longitude. So we have the difference in longitude. So difference in longitude. So difference in longitude is equals to. So we have 110 minus 70. So the difference in longitude is equals to 40 degrees east. So this is a west. 40 degrees what? West. So this is a difference in longitude. So we are going to convert this longitude into what? Distance. So we are going to convert this difference in longitude into what? Distance. So since we have so we are going to convert so convert the longitude difference the longitude what? Difference into to what? To distance. So we can change we can change 40 degrees into what? Nautical what? Nautical miles. Into nautical miles. So since we have 1 degree is equals to 60 nautical miles. So we have 40 degrees is equals to x. So you can change this 40 degrees into distance. So cross multiply. So we have 1x degrees is equals to 40 times 60. It is equals to 40 nautical miles. Is equals to 2,400 nautical miles. So step 4. Step 4 is calculating time. Calculating what? Calculating time taken for the plane to meet. For the plane to what? To meet. So we are going to start with question 2, which said at what time did the second plane meet the first plane if it started off at noon? So step 4, we are going to calculate the time at which so step 4, calculating the time at calculating the time taken for the plane to meet. So since we know that speed is equals to total speed. Total speed is equals to speed at q plus speed at p. So total speed is equals to 900 plus 300, which is knot. So total speed. So total speed is equals to 1,200 knots. 1,200 knots. Since we know that speed is equals to distance over time. So we want to calculate time, so we can cross multiply. ST is equals to distance, so divide by S, divide by S. So time is equals to D over S. So since time is equals to distance is given, we have calculated distance, which is 2,400 nautical mile. So distance D is equals to 2,400 nautical mile, and this total speed is equals to 1,200 knot. So total time is equals to 240 nautical mile over 1,200. So we can calculate, we can cancel zeros. So time is equals to 2 hours. So now, since time is equals to 2 hours, so since it started at what? So total time. So total time, since it started at noon plus 2 hours. Since it started at noon, at noon simply means 12 hours. So we are going to say T total time is equals to 12 hours plus 2 hours. 12 hours plus 2 hours, which is, so total time, the time at which we meet is 14 hours. 14 hours. So time is equals to 14 hours. This was the time, 14 hours. Now, step 5, we can calculate the longitude at which they meet. So step 5. So step 5, calculating the meeting longitude. The meeting longitude. The meeting longitude. Since they meet at since they meet in the middle, in the middle, so the meeting longitude, is so this is longitude is equals to 70 plus 1 over 2, we multiply by the different longitude, which is 40. So 70 plus 20. So 2 here, it is 20. So 70 plus 20, it is what? 90 degrees west. So this is a meeting longitude. So they meet at 90 degrees west, or 110. You subtract minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 40. So 110 minus it will be 20, which is 90 degrees west. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching. May the God bless you.